Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Sterling yen. I can't believe I forgot to cover it on the weekly. I'm so sorry about that. I realized it after I put it up, but we had a level that had to hold at 168.67. Broke down. We came down to a low of what? 168. Holy smokes. 198.67. My God, where's my brain going? We went down to a low of 198.10. So hang on, let me get some support points. New minor support point on the 1 hour chart sitting at 198.37. If we could get back up above 68, we're showing some strength to recovery up to probably 199 the figure. There'll be some resistance up there. We got to be paying attention to dollar yen, see what's going on in dollar yen. If dollar yen cools off, then we could actually be being able to get through this 198.70. We could get a push back down towards the low at 190. I'll say the low bars close at 198.16. So your key points to watch right now are this. Look, 198.37 is a light support here. If it breaks, we could travel down to probably, let's go 198.16. Main support right now, obviously, is 198.10. If we can get through, let's go. I'm going to move this down a little bit since we went to, I'm going to keep this the same. 198.67. We can show some strength, and the marketplace could be looking to move upward from there. So we got some rotations going on in the currencies right now. Let's go over to good old US dollar yen. This one is one that's really been unbelievable. It's given so many false breakdowns and breakouts. Right now, as it stands, there's support at 147.20. Resistance 147.71. We're tracking in between these 2 points. We made a low of 146.84. That was a fake out. Look, 2 lower lows and then the reversal back up. Here was the top point right there, 147.22. Not that it was in a downward trend, but the marketplace is in an upward trend. It had a downward slope, and now it's recovering, but it's also now threatening to break back down again, 147.20. That level goes, we could potentially see the 146.91 again. This is pretty strong support right now. Let's go over to good old, do I got sterling dollar up here? Where is, here's sterling dollar. Okay. Let me switch over to, let's say, a 2 hour chart. Let's go to a 2 hour chart. Good old sterling dollar. Okay. This was a great trade. I said this level had to hold. If it didn't, we were drifting down. I thought we'd get into 133.71. We went down to 134.34. So I'm going to say the point is like 134.88 right there. If it can get up through that point, it could probably show some consolidation in between these two levels before it makes a decision whether or not it can break that level and continue a little bit higher, or break back down and go that way. So sterling dollar itself is still in a bearish tone. It hasn't recovered yet. And right now, as we're looking at it, it's got to get through. Let me get rid of this arrow right now. Hang on. Freaking thing. We got to get through this 134.88 to show any type of strength, to say that this low is potentially locked in, and we're heading back up to 135.44. Let's go over to good old euro yen. Euro yen. All right. This one's another one, man. That's a weekly. Let's get over to a 2 hour chart. See where we're at. All right. So let's pull this up. Let's go here. Euro yen. Okay. Here's the top on the 2 hour, 172.44. It gave a false, kind of like moved down. We said I had to hold this level. Broke down, only got down to like 171. It's really 171.60. Some charts got 171.65, and that's that baloney freaking open where they just run everybody's stops. So right now, as it stands, euro yen is actually kind of retrending back up. If it can take this top out, close above it, it's actually heading towards like the major resistance at like 173, the figure up here. If it can't hold this and breaks down back below the 15, we're probably tracking back down to like 172, 171.85-ish. All right, so that's what I got going on for you guys right now. Check out in the description. You can see where you can get yourself a free video and ebook. And I'll see you on tomorrow's update. And remember, always, always enjoy the party, but dancing at the door. Cheers.